is only for the walls. Right now, I'm not using the walls, and there might be some things that I want to do with radiation panels, which maybe the Marscrete already helps me with that, and I don't have to worry about anything. I don't know yet. But what I am going to do is I'm going to make a new scenario. It won't take that long. I never did get a chance to try the MMRTG. I have no idea what it does, or if it's something that you've got to charge or anything. I do know that it's like a nuclear fusion power source. Let me just back the time a little bit and give myself a little bit more time. And I'm using. Let's see. Focus. No, wait, I got it. Let's wait a bunch of cans. So, where am I going to change this? Mod timing changes mine to sprint. So for the most part, all of the processes and the timing to do the processes is complete. The only thing that's missing is the addition of catalysts, which is other minor, small chemical additions to accelerate the chemical processing using less heat, that type of thing. Mine helped to have my microphone. So as I was saying, most of the chemical processes are done. The timing changes are all in. I am just testing a couple more timing changes right now. Let's see if we can. I have no idea about this rig. I have absolutely no clue. I guess it's got batteries on there, but I don't know if the solar panel is actually used to power that up or not. And if you hold the Alt key down, you can turn things around on the horizontal axis, which is pretty cool. Because 9 times out of 10, the power panel's in the wrong place. Right now I will just take a look at my small I think I'm using the big one to test things with. Right now I'm just checking for spelling. I still have a slight problem there. Now, I'll explain this. Alright, so when the last two steps, and the reason why I got it at the end, is when we start the mission, we have what's called the starting supplies, and there's barrels in there that has certain chemicals in there. There's iron, aluminum, silicon dioxide, and something else, I guess. Now, what I discovered was the silicon dioxide and the naming conventions would not allow me. The iron, well, I changed the iron. I don't know why the silicon dioxide didn't show up, I don't know, but maybe I'll look at that later. But the aluminum I couldn't fix, so what I had to do is I created a converter that works really fast, sort of, well, 15 minutes, whatever, to convert the aluminium that's in the starter supply to aluminum. And once that's done, then I'll have no more aluminium to worry about. It's just a convention that that's what I decided to do. Now for this, we're going to need barrels. And the panel is over there. So there's 5 over on this side, so this is the output over here. He's got some good jumping capability here. So we're just gonna fill this thing up here. I got plenty of time. Oh, that just reminds me. Shit. I may have to start it over. I gotta start it over. Because I need the time speeded up. Otherwise we'll be sitting here forever. It shouldn't be a problem to fix. Lucky I thought of it when I did. One of the processes takes a good 5 or 6 hours. So I think. Actually, you know what? Let me... Oh god, it's... I wanted it closer to the barrels. No, I don't know where that power thing is. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta go back out again. Damn it. Yep. I forgot something else. There's a lot of things to remember when you're doing this. Well, I mean, not really a lot, but enough. Now, see. Alright, so to get the supplies, we have to go into the carrier thing. Actually, you know what? Let me... I think I can, because I just remembered... I just remembered that, the supplies that I need are on the bottom. See, that just goes right down into the ground, so I have to be careful, sort of. I need iron in order to fudge my initial products to do the testing. I've been kind of working on this most of the morning. Those cans are gonna go flying. Well, at least they landed on the ground flat, huh? Uh-oh. Alright, let's go run down here. That's what we need. Just what the doctor ordered. God help me. Sneak by here. So these are the inputs. I'll grab this stuff here. Like, I'm really getting close to almost getting ready to actually play the game. I've got to create the scenario, which really is not going to involve a lot. To those that have been watching, you probably never will watch, is that I have to create location for methane pockets and something else. I don't know, I forget. Alright, so here we go. Now the big test. So what do we got here? Now if we go to all the way to the bottom, alright, so there's my converters. I didn't fix that. Synthesized trait. Oh, I didn't. Alright, so if we do trace nutrient 1, it's iron and phosphorus goes to nutrient 1. Nutrient 1 plus Epsom salt. That ratio is not right. I gotta go back and look at that. That's supposed to be 10 nutrients input. It's Epsom salt's very powerful, so I don't need that much, so that's incorrect. And here there's a small amount of calcium oxide that is used for the pH. And I didn't write those in the comments, so I'll have to add that. Not a big deal. Those are the converters talked about earlier. Alright, so synthesize water in 1 and 2. You know what? Something's missing. My thing's missing. Fuck. Yep, it's missing. I don't know why. I'm missing the 3 fertilizer and ammonia and methane bed, which is what I was wanting to test right now, including the fake products. I don't see them there. Split pyrite. No, they're missing. Oh, come on. Get away from the sign. He always does this. Magnesium oxide. Sulfur dioxide. Sodium hydroxide. I wanted to change that to sodium hydrox. That's a synthesis of water. I gotta change the X Epsom salt. Damn it. I'll bring up my notepad and then we can go ahead and follow me along. I don't know why I'm not getting my I wonder if it's got to do with that. Something in there is not right. It's gonna take me a minute to fix this. Oh, maybe not. I do want to change they have so many letters, so I want to change that to sodium hydrox. It's my understanding that the program uses this data right here. Oh, you know, I didn't even notice the magnesium sulfate production. Magnesium sulf. Wait a minute. Okay, so I gotta go down and trace nutrient 1 production, trace nutrient 3, nutrient, all of that worked. This is supposed to be a small o. Now, that's the problem there, and the fake products did not show up. Why? Oh my God, why are my fake products not showing? There's 5 outputs. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a problem with this. Water? No. Nutrients 3? No. Micro? Oh, I see why. I see one of them, why one of them doesn't show up. Micronutrients not capitalized. That's one problem. What the hell's wrong with this one? Carbon dioxide, carbon, iron. Why in the hell? Something. Oh, I see. Okay. I see that. Combine TN4. The other thought was that I had too many processes. Nutrient 3, nutrient 3. Micronutrient. Fertilizer. Hydrogen sulfide. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where is... I don't know if I saw the magnesium sulfate in there. I can't remember. Jesus, I can't remember anything. Potassium. Micronutrient. Micronutrient. Everything is spelled correctly. That's hydrogen sulfide. I gotta go back in there and look. I'm gonna have a problem. I'm having this gut feeling. Typos are a killer. Nutrient 3 and water. God, I don't see anything wrong with this. Well, I don't know. I just gotta save this and go back in there. I don't know. Where's my... Let me look at this split here. Magnesium sulfate. I probably should create a new one. Damn. just better to do it that way to be on the safe side. That, I got that. I think that's all I need. Let's start this guy up. Oh, God, flip over, please. Don't roll all the way down the fucking hill. That's the top one anyway, I don't need it. Okay, where's my cable? There he goes flying. Damn it. Alright, oops, gotta get my iron. Hopefully. Alright, I hope that shit's in there. I gotta scroll. Oh, what the fuck? I lost everything now. Are you kidding me? I lost the nutrient. I don't have any of the nutrient. I don't have the... Oh, you know why? I packed the mod, but I didn't add it. Oh, fuck, that's not supposed to be in there. Fuck. I'm gonna take a chance and just go with that mod. Because I didn't change anything. I don't know. I think I gotta do another one. Now let's do another one. Wait, I just went in there. What did I do? that all held together. I guess as soon as you click that to install it, you can just let go. I've been kind of wondering about it and working with that, so it's like as soon as you click it, you can just let go and do your thing. So the reason why I grabbed this iron here is because I've got a fake process to give me, oh, what the hell? What the fuck? God damn it. I didn't put the right refinery in here. Put the small one in. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Where did the big refinery go? It was there because I put in 5 fucking tubes. What the fuck? Okay, I have to go back and look at the stream. I don't know what the fuck happened here. The big refinery turned into the little refinery. What the fuck? This is not fucking happening. That just did not fucking happen. Maybe I should have waited. I don't know what the hell just happened. Unless I was seeing things. You know, maybe I was just seeing things. And I don't know what the hell happened, honestly. Because I've been playing the game for so long, like the last quite a few hours for the last few days. But I'm making like super good progress, you know? Like I'm getting so close to playing the whole game itself. That fucker turns to the small refinery. I swear to God, I am gonna shit myself. I'm like looking at this thing. Maybe I was seeing things. I don't fucking know. I really don't. Now, I was my shit here. It's there except for, all right, there's magnesium sulfate. That's good. Sodium hydrox. That changes. Good. Sodium diox. Silicon diox. Epsom salt. That looks all good. Oh, you know, I didn't change the... That looks good. I've got to change this right here to nutrient 2. I'm still missing the two fake ones, and the bed. I wonder if it's because of the number of things here. Fuck, I don't know. I don't know why those are not coming in. I'm wondering if it's because of the number of processes. Because there is a lot of processes on that thing. Oh, I'm so freaking close. I'm so freaking close, you know? Alright, you know what I want to do? Before I do anything, let's grab... Copy. I'm just saving my... Well, the sulfur one was unpacked, but... I'm gonna need that open. I'm gonna need this open. God. It's gotta be something common to all three of them. All five, really. I mean, micronutrient works because that was created. Oh God, I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice if micronutrient was in there. There's 5 outputs. 5 outputs. What the fuck? I don't know why it fucking doesn't work. The only thing I can think of is that there's too many processes. That's the only thing I can think of. get the backup right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all of those. I should even delete these ones on the bottom too, just for kicks. Because I don't know what else to do here. 3 inputs, 5 outputs. There's another possibility because the notepad, I don't know what's wrong, but it's stretching way the hell out beyond into my next fucking computer screen. And I don't know why it's going way out that far. Carbon dioxide, water. I don't fucking goddamn. Oh, here's a problem here. Oh, I think I know what it is. You see where it says combined FERT here? Well, the number on that is 5, it's 5 characters. Okay? It may only go to 3 or 4 characters on that list. Let's try something else. Don't see. Let me see something here. Let's leave the stuff back on. Recycle liquid water. This game is picky about characters. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is delete this. Wait a minute, that's combined plastic. That's got a whole crap load of characters. I don't know. I'm just gonna do that. Fuck. Let me go back up here then. Let's gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of it. I got a copy of it anyway. I mean, the H2O could have been a problem. And then maybe the water wasn't getting created. You know? I don't know. Water's in every one of those. Yeah, I just don't freaking know. It could have been the water. I don't know what else to look for here. I just have no fucking clue. The only thing I can think of is that it's the number of processes. What are you gonna do? Just trial and error and keep going, you know? It's gotta work at some point. I'm gonna try that E1. I can't even remember what the hell is in here. Oh, God. I'm just gonna look at this before I go get that freaking. I'm just got a bad feeling. Yeah, it's not in there. What the fuck is wrong with that? I swear to God, I don't fucking know what's wrong with it. I took out all those synthesis of that stuff, and that still didn't solve the problem. Fuck, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. I changed the letters. I still didn't look and see if that other one was in there. I didn't remember to see if magnesium sulfate was in there. I gotta change this to 20. That's gonna forget my number. Why the fuck isn't this working? What am I missing? I just don't see it. You know? I just do not fucking see it. Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong? I don't know. I don't know unless if I just start commenting everything out. I have no fucking clue what is going on here, and it's pissing me the fuck off. I'm telling you, I'm just really pissed. It can't be the fucking iron, because I've got iron up here. Wait, micronutrient fertilizer. Yeah, but micronutrient is not in this one. Why the fuck isn't it working? I just don't fucking know. This is like almost to the point of fucking scary because I can't figure this out. I don't remember seeing. I don't know if I can go to that damn video. I gotta try something here. because of the number of things here. Fuck, I don't know. And 2. I got synthesized Epsom salt is in there. I got the 2 waters and the 3 nutrients. Now let me see something here. Epsom salt. Water 1. You know what? I think that one's missing too. That's got micronutrient in it. There's 1, 2, 3. I got 3 trace nutrient in here. And then there's 2 synthesized water. You know what? That other one's not in there either. I wonder if it's micronutrient. This one's not there. If that one's not there, there's micronutrient in this one. Micronutrient. But there's not, micronutrients not in this one here. This one should show up. It's something to do with micronutrient. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What the fuck is going on? It doesn't like micronutrient. You've got to be kidding me. I gotta shorten this up. I don't know what's going on with this stupid notepad. Micronutrient. Shit. Oh my god. I wonder if I just have to delete it and change it to nutrient 0 or something. It's really pissing me off. I don't know what else to do here. You'd think it'd be obvious, you know. Fake products. Why isn't that working now? Here, 3 inputs. You don't suppose the large refinery requires a minimum of 2 inputs, do you? In order for it to work? No, there's 3 there. There's the air carbon plastic. That's all there, right? Was that there? Let me just go back and take a peeky here. I can't see it. I'm still missing the 2 fake ones, and the bed. I wonder if it's because of the number of things here. That looks good. I've got to change this right here to nutrient 2. I'm still missing the 2 fake ones. Air carbon plastic. You know, the glue is not in there. The glue and the fiber are not in there. And the bed. I wonder if it's because sodium hydrox. The glue and the fabric is not in there either. And I didn't even change anything in that. You know what I did change? I changed the naming convention. Oh, I see. Well, I see. I see this part. I wonder if this has to be the same. Oh, there's fertilizer. Okay. Alright, you wait just a minute now. This game is really picky about some stupid shit, I'm telling you. I'm gonna try something here. Well, that takes care of the fabric and the glue, but God damn it, it's just not right. Well, there's fertilizer. It might have something to do with it. Ammonia I haven't even looked at yet. For all I know, that could have been screwed up. There's water. That was not put in there either. That's on this. You're not seeing this, but I'm just gonna put this on here. So if you look like right in here, like over in this area, you'll see these # TCOM names. If the names are not the same on both sides, it will cause a problem, or it may cause a problem. The iron oxide, the magnesium oxide, that all seem to work, but maybe I don't know, you know? Seriously. Let me save this. And what I'm going to do is... Now, why am I having a problem saving this? I'm just going to don't save. And what I'm going to do is go to my backup. Oh God. Was I in my backup? Wait, that's... I changed my backup. Luckily it was only that file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this other stuff all back in here. Oh my god. You know what? I changed the freaking backup. Jesus, I swear to fuck. I gotta go to a previous backup here and just grab this stuff. I should be alright. You can never have enough backups, you know? I know it's acting up back there. I don't know if I fixed anything or not. I can't find this other problem. It's just so frigged up. Well, let's save it and see what we got. So that one in the middle was missing. That one file where was before the nutrient section. Now I'm gonna have to do another mod again. Another thing, yeah. wait, no. Oh yeah, I could just probably do it that way. That's what I've been running anyway. So that description thing is really picky. Whether or not this is going to solve some of my problems or not, I have no clue. Still missing that file between the two waters. I got the magnesium sulfide. My methane beds are not there, and that other one is not there. It's got to be the micronutrient. See here where I'm using nutrient 1? I may have to go back and call it nutrient. It may not like that term. I wanted to call it micronutrient, you know? I had a reason for that. Because there's microbes, you know, it's all the little microbe things, okay? So I'm just going to go back and freaking call it nutrient. The hell with it. Now, let's make sure that I'm in my game here and not my user data. I will bring this up here, so, well, it's already up, I guess. Synthesis. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to call micronutrient just plain nutrient. I don't know what else to do. I'm just fucked. And it's pissing me off, you know? Because it makes things confusing, and there's nothing I can do about it. If it's this stupid naming convention doesn't fucking work, what are you supposed to do, you know? If it doesn't like the frickin' word, I mean, fucking seriously, you gotta deal with it. No, we'll find out soon enough. That takes care of nutrient as a resource. Now, as far as the two fake ones, I got nutrient in there, which may solve that problem. But this other fake one should work. And I don't know why the fuck it doesn't. Unless if it's the number. Maybe it won't accept 2.0, you know? There's stupid crap like this in this game. Input iron, input. And this was the other one that didn't work. Yeah, that's got micronutrient in it. That's where the nutrient is the output. Alright. Let's go back in and see if that did anything. This time I'll take a chance and I'm just going to go into that scenario. I mean, sometimes I've seen that work. And then if it does work, you know, I can assume that's going to work if I create a new one. That didn't fix it. There's something else wrong with that fucking goddamn script. I'm losing it now. I really am. Just losing it. I didn't even notice if glue was in there. I'll have to go back and fuck, I don't know if it's in there. Fabric and glue. Jesus, I don't remember because I didn't look. Fertilizer. Fertilizer's coming to all three of them. Except for this one. Yeah, it's fertilizers in that one too. Fertilizers in this one, but it should still shouldn't have caused a problem with this one unless if it's water that's doing it. Water could be causing the problem, but if it's water, then these ones wouldn't show up. That's what the fucking problem is here. I don't know. Potassium. Potassium is in that one. I don't know. I can't figure it out. It's just, it's fucking me over good. What if I take out fertilizer in all three of these? I had a better idea. I'm gonna go back into the game resources list, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab fertilizer, this is getting worse. Fertilizer didn't fix nothing. And I don't even have... It didn't fix anything. The plastic is right up, is up here. I don't know why the plastic is up there. Because the order... glue and the fabric are not there. And I don't understand because I've got nutrient, I got these three in here. I still didn't fix that Epsom salt one. I thought I did. I may have to create a new scenario again. Let me go look at that backup. I gotta get this off. Chemistry. That says 1. No, that's... No, that didn't get fixed on there, that's for sure. Here we go again. The glue and the fabric are not showing up because of the naming convention. I'll bet you any money. Wait, I don't understand that because the plastic is showing up. This game is really getting frustrating for me today. Alright, let's pop it up here. Now, before I do anything, what I'm going to do is actually, yes, let's see, here's mod 2. Copy. Paste. Shit. See, plastic is plastic. Fabric is fabric. That is glue. Look at split just for the hell of it. Yeah. I mean, you can split plastic. I didn't even see that in there. Dioxide, methane, unless something else happened somewhere that I'm missing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's carbon dioxide. I don't know. I swear I'm almost thinking it's something to do with the naming convention. You know what I'm going to do here? The fertilizer didn't even show up. I'm going to do something drastic here. Because I refuse to believe that this crap is not working. I've had more problems with this naming. It's like some of it is working and some of it isn't. Things down at the bottom I have to leave because I just convert that. That isn't a big deal. Alright, I'm going back in there. I'm gonna see what that did. So all I'm going to do here is just do, I don't need the iron thing, I just need to figure out if that, whatchamacallit's there, you know? I think everything in the big refinery shows, everything in the small refinery shows up in the big one. I'm not going back to that naming convention that the game uses. I don't like it. If I can change some things, I should be able to change everything. Shit is still not fucking there. The fabric's not there. The split fabric is not there. The synthesized fabric is not there. All because of that fucking naming convention. God damn it. I'm almost thinking I'm forced to leave some of that naming convention in. I don't want to go through this fucking shit again. God, why? Why does some of it work and some of it doesn't? It just does not make any fucking sense. Alright, I'm gonna have to do something. Jesus. What I'm doing is I'm gonna recopy fucking hell is it, the games resource naming conventions for plastic, because only one of the plastics showed up. I'm having... Alright. That takes care of... Because there's two plastics. There's one to synthesize and one to split. And only one of them was showing up. And it doesn't make any sense. If why the hell does just one show up and not both of them? Or why not both of them be gone? You know? It's... This naming convention's really getting frustrating. I never thought I was going to have this problem. So, let's take a chance and just go in here If it doesn't work, I'll do another freaking scenario. There's the split plastic right there. And all it says is air carbon plastic. Where the fuck is the other one? See, I got sulfur dioxide, I got this one in there. These are all with my own fucking names. Magnesium sulfate. Convert to sodium hydroxide, that's in there. You know what? The glue and the fabric are still not showing up. This is totally fucked up. This just doesn't make any fucking sense. I didn't even notice that before. On the road again. I wish I was on the fucking road again. Wait a minute, what about... Is there a split glue and split fabric? Yes, there is. And the common denominators are carbon, carbon dioxide, and methane. But I've got carbon and air carbon plastic split. So that leaves carbon dioxide and methane. So if I were to comment that out, maybe it work, huh? I'm like, huh? I wonder if there's a problem with methane. There's methane there. And methane is in all of the fake products and all of the other three. It's going to be a problem with methane. What the fuck? I found it! Oh my friggin' fucking god. Oh my fucking god, I've been fucking with this for all afternoon. There's no fucking methane, it's not even in the list. Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't even know if you can see this. It's not showing up on my thing here. You gotta fucking see this, because this is just, it's not hilarious, because all the time I've been friggin' around with this, somehow methane got deleted from the resource list. It got fucking deleted from the resource list. So what that means is I can go back and put all of this back in. Unfucking believable. Yeah, it's not in there either. It's not in my backup. How the hell did that get deleted? It's like methane. Methane's not working today. We decided not to put methane in just to see if you could figure out what's wrong with your program. We're sorry to cause you any inconvenience. Oh my god. That is just not right. That is just so not freaking right. I swear to God. That explains why all this didn't work. So now I've got my regular naming conventions all back in. I can go back in and put micronutrient in, which I'm going to. And we'll find methane somewhere in a minute here. Wait, hold on, it just goes over there like that. I'm not doing that. I just hope the hell I got the right one. Alright, back to the synthesis again. Synthesized methane. Well, that probably wasn't even in there either. Alright, so now I can go methane was fucking missing. What a moron. So human waste from the solid creates our micro, and then we create these other nutrients 1, 2, and 3 by re-adding the nutrient 1 and nutrient 2 to come with nutrient 3, and then we add micronutrient there, micronutrient there, oh god, and micronutrient there. Now it's going to make a whole hell of a lot more sense. And then the only thing I got to do is with the Epsom salt. No, it's in the nutrients section. I want 20 nutrients and to 1 Epsom salt. That is a save. Both the fake products had methane in it. Okay, now I can get rid of that. Now what I gotta do is probably go back and look at my backups. Let's see if it's in 4. where's Epsom salt? I mean, there's methane. Now, I'm going to put it right in here. Everything should be in alphabetical order, but it sort of isn't. Then we're just going to grab methane, copy that in there. That's a pretty important chemical, huh? Where's the sodium? The sulfur dioxide? I moved all that. The sulfur dioxide's down there. Now that ought to make a humongous difference right there. That should just, like, night and day. Methane was missing. I knew it had to be some stupid shit. And that's what it ends up being, you know? It's you look at your processes, you figure out which ones is not working, and there's the common denominator to all of them, and it happened to have been methane. I was going through process of elimination. I knew that it was a naming convention, but I didn't know the whole name was like gone. I thought it was a naming thing, you know? Like, what the hell? So now what I'm going to just go ahead and do is I'll go into my triple E1 here. And, oh my god. I think what I'll do is, if this works, I'm going to re-unpack it and then save that again, because I don't want to, and then delete what's in that work 5 space. Because my work 5 backup is pretty messed up right now. I mean, shit like that happens, you know? You get tired, and I mean, there's nothing you can do. You do what you gotta do and hope for the best, and you keep plugging, and eventually, you know, something's gotta give. Something has to give, and it's like working the problem, you know? You gotta work the problem. Like, I threw that cable around, because I knew everything was gonna get in the way. I bet we're gonna have a whole shitload of stuff here now. How much you want to bet on it? Mars atmosphere to methane. Oh yeah, it's all here. Oh, methane, baby! Methane. I gotta write a song about methane. Oh, hell yeah. Maybe I gotta make me a good meal tonight now, because if I haven't found this, right? Oh my god. So that takes care of that. Let's go scoot down. There's my methane. See, that's there. Magnesium sulfate. That's a split. There's a split glue. I put it all back originally because it's methane, right? I put my own naming convention back. You can see how it's written there, fabric and glue, just the way I want it. To make sodium hydroxide, you get 2 of those from sodium oxide, blah, blah, blah. Now we've got our Epsom salt, our water 1 and 2. Now the nutrients, there's our micronutrient. It's like I knew it was going to work. Methane. Now we do our trace nutrients. There's the Epsom salt change. That looks good. Calcium. like input is no input there, no input to get nutrient 1, then you add nutrient 1 to get nutrient 2, then you add nutrient 2 to get nutrient 3, and I gotta write down, I gotta do the reasons for the nutrients. There's my my fake products. Oh yeah, everything's here, baby. Everything's here. Oh yeah, hooah! Methane, motherfucker. Oh shit, man. So we use 10 micronutrients and nutrients 3, and then that's what gives us our fertilizer. To a 10-to-1 ratio, 1 to 10, whatever. So then we have a methane ammonia bed, which uses 10 micronutrients and another fertilizer, rather than just, well, that uses 10 actually to come up with a fertilizer. Then this uses 10 more, and then that provides us with, in other words, we're adding more micronutrients in there to get our chemical production. It's like we're creating methane. And then, now he's freaking moving around. And then the next one is to produce water. So less methane, less ammonia, and we have a times our water production is double. So by using 100 water, we gain 100 water in the process, right? I think that's how that works. 10 water in gives us a surplus of 10 water. And that process takes about, well, so like we get 200 water a day. Actually half a day. About 200 water for half a day is what that amounts to. And that water is used for several other processes. So, which, I don't know if that's going to be enough, but eventually we might have 2 or 3 of these machines going at the same time, producing twice as much. There's our air carbon, synthesize that, everything's there. And this was put here to test the timing. So now we can actually test the timing. Everything is here now. I'm almost certain. So what I could do is, what I'll do is I'll name this off and then check it with the list when I listen to my thing later. Split Mars Rock 1, Split Mars Rock 2, Split Mars Soil 1, Split Mars Soil 2. I thought there was a Split Mars Soil 3. Split Mars Atmosphere 1. Oh, I took it out. Split Mars Atmosphere 2. Split Mars Atmosphere to methane. Split carbon dioxide. Split silicon dioxide. Split iron oxide. Split aluminum oxide. Split magnesium oxide. Split calcium oxide. Split sodium oxide. Split potassium oxide. Split sulfur dioxide. Split phosphorus pentoxide. Split pyrite. Split methane. Split carbon dioxide 2 is used for the beginning of the game, possibly. Split hydrazine, split magnesium sulfate, split ammonia, split nitric oxide, split air carbon plastic, to get plastic. That's a special formula. Split fabric, split glue, synthesize fertile soils, synthesize carbon dioxide, synthesize magnesium oxide. Synth sodium hydroxide for the oil for the drills, synthesize methane, synthesize ammonia, synthesize nitric oxide, synthesize Epsom salts, synthesize water 1, synthesize water 2, synthesize nutrients, which should say synthesize micronutrients, synthesize trace nutrients 1, trace nutrients 2, trace nutrients 3, need to have the explanations. Fake products 2 and 1 are backwards. Synthesize fertilizer, synthesize methane bed, synthesize methane water bed, synthesize air carbon plastic, synthesize fabric, synthesize glue, then collect the sodium silicon oxide from the container and aluminium to aluminum from the container. That should be it. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am done playing Take on Mars for the rest of my life now. Fuck. Oh my god. So I'm done with the stream, and now I can do the timing test.